Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making cookies. So I've added my butter. The next thing I will do is to add my sugar and mix thoroughly. So welcome back again to my channel. So I've added my sugar and to mix it properly for everything to be well combined. I used my whisk to mix, my hand whisk to mix. So I keep on mixing. What you're seeing here is the sugar and the butter. So I kept on mixing till I get a smooth paste. So at this point I've mixed it thoroughly and I've achieved my smooth paste. So I'm going to be using my spatula to combine everything together. So yeah, I added my milk. This milk is optional. You can decide to add the milk or you can decide not to add any milk at all. So it's your choice. So I decided to add milk to these cookies to give it a very creamy taste. So you can decide to add yours to still give you that creamy taste you want. So yeah, here is it. I started adding my flour bit by bit. So I added a handful and I mixed it together. I'm still going to add my flour. I'll continue adding it till I've added all the whole flours into the mixture of butter and sugar. So the next thing I'm going to do is to grease my baking pan. I'm greasing my baking pan with butter. So I'm going to be putting my mixed ingredients into my piping bag.
abagafab.com.
So I'm going to be doubling the piping back so it doesn't tear. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to be piping on my baking tray in a circular form.
Your love, your sweet love, I go die when we kiss it, touching me like this. Hey, Chima, you too sweet. I am your mumu. Call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Fool for love. Call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu.
My cookies is ready. The taste is yummy. And if you've not subscribed, please just subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.